You both ordered the chicken, correct?
Yes, we did.
We did.
If there's anything else you two need, just please let me know.
So I see you got the chicken. That's my favorite.
Does it look undercooked to you?
Mine seems to be cooked properly.
Maybe I'm just seeing things. It's kind of hard to see in this place.
Of course, the lights are dim. It's for the ambiance. That's what all good restaurants do. Does it taste all right?
It doesn't actually. It tastes like really underseasoned and it's somehow dry.
Mine tastes perfect. Well cooked and well seasoned.
You think they forgot to marinate it or something?
I don't think you're supposed to marinate chicken.
Well, of course you are. I mean, doesn't it, give it the flavor and like keep it from going dry? Get it ready for the whole cooking process?
I don't really know. I've never really thought about how you prepare a piece of chicken. I assume they all get sent out the same way.
What do you mean? Of course you have to prepare the chicken before serving it. Chickens just don't come out perfect.
Well, I know that. I guess I never had put much thought into the steps. I haven't had any problems when I order chicken, especially here.
All I'm saying is it seems odd. 2 pieces of chicken from the same restaurant at the same time. One comes out seemingly perfect, while the other is not only underseasoned and undercooked, but also dry. Like, how does that even happen?
Well, let's grab the waiter and get you a new piece.
Well, have you seen him?
Not since he gave us our food.
I mean, look at your piece. That looks like a good piece of meat.
What?
No, really, look at what they gave me, this wimpy piece, but your piece looks like it's off a chicken that had a whole life. Roamed free on a farm, maybe laid a couple of eggs or whatever the fuck chicken likes to do for fun before they get thrown in the slaughter. Fortune really favored that chicken. Maybe it lived in a nice big coop in the nice part of the farm where the sun shines and the seed is abundant.
I mean, your piece does look a little bit smaller.
A little bit? Come on. This piece looks like it was from one of those chickens who lived in a cage and was fed through a tube. I bet this chicken had to fight for any extra seed that was thrown its way. The least they could do to honor the poor bird's life is marinate it, dress it up a little, and serve it with some love. I bet this chicken had to work a hell of a lot harder than your chicken to end up getting served at the same well-established restaurant. And for all that hard work, nothing. They couldn't even marinate the poor fucking thing.
What are you trying to say? Did I do...
Can I help you, ma'am?
Yes, you can. Does this look undercooked to you?
Yes, it does, ma'am.
It tastes terrible.
Yes, ma'am, this happens from time to time. The wrong chicken gets sent down the line to get cooked, and unfortunately, we can't catch all the mistakes in the busy chicken. Far too many chickens being sent out and served.
Well, that seems like a poor excuse. I didn't even want the chicken. I ordered the steak. My friend was the one who couldn't shut up about the chicken.
Well, I'm sorry, ma'am. Would you like us to prepare you a steak?
No. It's late anyway, and I've lost my appetite.
Well, if that's the case, here's your check, ladies.
Wait, you're still charging me for this shit?
Jamie, let me. Jamie, are you all right?
I should have just gotten what I actually fucking wanted.